In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trust Wallet account on your phone. To get started, the first thing we need to do is go to the Play Store. If you're using an Android device, simply locate the Play Store app in your applications list and tap on it. Once you're in the Play Store, we're going to use the search feature at the top of the screen. Type in Trust Wallet and then tap on the search icon to begin the search process. Quickly enough, you'll see Trust Wallet appear in the list of search results. Now it's just a matter of downloading it, so find the download button and tap it. Once the download and installation are complete, you can open the app for the first time. You'll be greeted with a couple of options. One for creating a new wallet and another for those who already have an existing wallet. Since we're setting up a brand new Trust Wallet account today, you'll want to go ahead and select the option that says Create New Wallet. This is the crucial step where you'll set up your wallet for the first time. The next important task is to create a passcode. This passcode is essential as it adds an extra layer of security to your wallet, ensuring that your assets remain protected at all times. Remember to choose a passcode that you find easy to remember but hard for others to guess. We recommend noting it down in a secure place just in case you forget. After setting your passcode, you'll be prompted to confirm it. Double-check your entry to make sure everything is correct because this step is key in securing your new wallet. Once that's done, you've successfully created your wallet. From here, you can proceed to fund it whenever you're ready. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with some of the Trust Wallet features that are now available at your fingertips. You'll notice options such as Send, Swap, Fund, and Sell, among others. These tools give you the flexibility to manage your digital assets effectively and securely. Feel free to explore these features at your own pace and see what each does. Each feature is designed to enhance your experience and make managing your digital currencies simple and straightforward. While everything may seem a bit overwhelming at first, hopefully, this guide has simplified the steps needed to get your Trust Wallet up and running. As you become more accustomed to the wallet, you'll find that its intuitive design makes it easy to navigate. Thank you for joining today's session. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials and guides on navigating the world of digital wallets and cryptocurrencies.